Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss NumPy array attributes, and it is an essential concept when working with NumPy. These attributes provide valuable information about the structure and properties of a NumPy array. It helps us understanding how the array is stored, its dimensions, size, shape, data type and more. By mastering these attributes, you can gain better control over your arrays and ensure efficient data processing in Python. We will start by exploring the general attributes and then dive deeper into the specific ones like ndim, size, shape, dtype and others. So let's start with the NumPy array attributes. So NumPy array come with various built-in attributes that provide metadata about the array. And these attributes include first one ndim, that is, it provides the number of dimensions of the array. The next is size, and it provides the total number of elements in the array. Now the shape is a tuple representing the dimensions of the array. If we want to check the data type of the elements in the array, we may use the dtype. Item size attribute provide the size of each array element in bytes, and the data attributes provide the memory address of the array data. So let's take a quick look at these attributes with the example. As you can see in the example, we have imported the NumPy and one array is provided, and it is the two-dimensional array with the elements 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. So as you can see, we have printed different attributes of the array. That is, first we have printed the array, then dimensions of the array using array dot the name of attribute, that is the ndim, then size of the array, next shape, next data type, and same way item size and the data, all these attributes are used in this example. So to check the output for the same, let us run the program, and we will first check output for the first elements only. So you can say the array is printed, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of dimensions is 2. The size means number of elements are 6. The shape of the array is 2 cross 3. So it is represented in the format of tuple, that is 2, 3. Data type of the elements is int64. The size of the array is 8 bytes, and the memory address for the same is also provided using this data attribute. So using these attributes, one can get the details about the metadata of any of the array. Next, as you can see, suppose we want to again check use of ndim attribute for the different types of dimensions. Here three arrays are created, 1D, 2D and 3D. And for all these arrays, if one want to check if these are exactly the one dimensional, two dimensional or three dimensional arrays, we may use the ndim attribute. So array underscore 1d dot ndim. Same way for all these arrays, this same attribute is used. Next, suppose we want to check the size again independently. The size attribute is used in this example. Further, to check the shape, one array is created, that is the three-dimensional array, and the array.shape attribute is used. In the next example, as you can see, one array is created with the array 1, 2, 3 and the data type provided is the float 64. And next we will check the data type of the array using this dtype attribute. Next again, one array is created, and for this data type provided is int32 and the attribute used is the array.item size. And the last one, again for the created array, the data attribute is used to get its location. Let us again run the program to check the output. So here, as you can see, for these 1D, 2D and 3D array, the dimensions provided are 1, 2 and 3. For the next example, the total number of elements present are 6. So array.size is giving answer to be 6. Next, array shape is provided for this given example, and here as you can see it is the 2 cross 2 cross 2 array. So the shape provided is 2, 2, 2 in the format of tuple. For the next, we have already provided the data type to be float 64. So once we are printing the value of d type, it will be by default float 64. For the next array, we have provided the 3 elements, and the size of the array is printed using this array.item size, and the size of this array is 4 bytes. And at last, using this data attribute, one can print the address of this array, and it is printed on the screen as you can see. So understanding these NumPy attributes gives you complete control over your data and its properties. From analyzing the array's dimension to inspecting the memory layout, these attributes are indispensable for efficient programming in Python. So now it's time to put these attributes into practice and use them to analyze and manipulate data effectively in your own project.